want to show you how we prepare traditional Sakha pancakes. We need water, milk, 1 tablespoon, yes, water, milk, some milk, 1 egg or 2 eggs. Yes. Okay. And salt. Sometimes I put sugar, but now I think salt is enough. Some salt. And flour. This is a traditional yakut Saha mixing instrument. Itik, we call it itik. It's very easy. It's ready. Okay. Simple sunflower oil. You can also use olive oil, but not extra virgin. You can use pure oil. We use alaji in the ritual feeding the earth, fire or river. This is our tradition, and the most interesting thing is that the recipe for these pancakes, alaji, is the same, but each woman gets different alaji. I think they can reflect the character of woman, her attitude to life. We also believe that smell of cooking alaji can cleanse atmosphere of house from all negative, and they can be eaten with cream or jam. And I usually make alaji when I'm sad, when my family has a problem. After cooking, everyone immediately becomes happier. Hi, my name is Sandaara. I'm from Republic of Sakha, Yakutia. The words Sakha and yakut have the same meaning, but actually we are Sakha, but historically we called yakut. Yakutia is the largest region of Russia, and geographically this is northern Siberia. We can say that this is a world of cold, snow and ice. It's also a world of kind and sincere people, the world with its own culture and traditions. And today I want to show you our traditional food. I love Yakut cuisine. It's truly unique and reflects our way of life and culture. Getting to know the traditional cuisine of any nation starts with the local market, of course. This is our market. As a rule, the market is a reflection of part of the culture of the people. All the ingredients of the local cuisine are usually presented here. Every Sakha takes a lot of meat, fish and dairy products. This is our traditional food. By the way, this is our water. We melt the ice and drink it. A special feature of Yakut cuisine is also that we don't use a lot of spices and sauces. Yakut products are very organic and their taste is very concentrated. That's why we like to eat and feel the real taste of meat or fish. This is frozen fish. We eat it raw. In general, raw food is common in Yakut cuisine. Modern Yakut people can afford to be vegetarians, but mostly we eat meat and fish. Our summer lasts only 3 months and the other 9 months are very cold. Our diet is low in plant food, and the human body requires a lot of protein to somehow warm up and survive in such conditions. Maybe you know that the Airbnb service the experience option, and wherever I am, I try to use it and feel the culture of country, to communicate with real people, and often I choose to cook traditional dishes. I've cooked Malay cuisine, Chinese cuisine, and also painted in Korea, rode in the jungle of South Asia. learn Cantonese Chinese in Hong Kong. And one day I thought, why we don't have such an option in our city, in Yakutsk? And I wrote a letter to Airbnb that I want to do cooking classes about Yakut cuisine. My application was accepted, but until now this tab is not has not appeared in my city. And now I want to say, if you are a guest in our republic, you can write to me and we can prepare traditional Yakut food together, and I will be happy. Today I told you just a small part of Yakut cuisine. This is my first video in English, and I really hope that my story was interesting. And usually I create a video in Yakut language, in Sakha language. Popularization of native languages is my mission. I think it's great that we have a lot of nations, a lot of cultures, languages, cuisine. It's very interesting, and I think we must preserve it. And that's all. I have to say goodbye. I really hope that video was interesting, and bye bye.